Hi there, my name is Chris and I am Mangrove Veg. Welcome to my Ranunculus growing video. Now this won't be a really long video. This is going to get to the point. I am a parent, so a bit busy guy, so the whole point of my channel is how to grow fruit and veg and flowers and do it in short 10-minute bursts. Before I go too far, I forget to say though, if you get some value from this video, do please like and subscribe. It really does help the video do well and grow the channel. Now the very first thing to do with Ranunculus is to soak the dried corn. So now we're going to do a flashback to me 4 hours ago to explain that. Right, thank you me from 4 hours later. So here we are 4 hours earlier and we're in the shed and we're going to be putting some Ranunculus corns into water. Now Ranunculus corns arrive all dried out, they're stored, and in this climate where I live in Yorkshire, it's still cool enough to plant them this time of year. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to do that today with my assistant. So the first thing we'll do is just show you the corn itself. You can see it's all dried out and we have about 30 to plant today. What my assistant's going to do is very carefully put them one at a time into the water. Okay, very good, thank you. Keep carrying on now. Now they should sink. Right, thank you very much, assistant. So now you can see there's our 30 Ranunculus corns in the water. Now we're going to leave them there for 3 to 4 hours and we'll come back to 3 to 4 hours later and film the next section. So we are 4 hours later or thereabouts, and you can see that the corns are now much bigger than they were earlier on. You'll see that they've puffed up, they're much fuller, and essentially they have rehydrated, and that's exactly what you're looking for. Let's just talk about the corns very quickly. The plant will grow from this bit on the top here. That's where the stem will grow from, and the corns are the roots, so you need to point those down. So as we plant them, we're going to plant them with the corns facing down just like that. Let's do this quicker. So there you have all the corns all planted, evenly spaced apart, and they're about an inch under what will be the surface. So the next job is just to cover them over with some soil. And there you go, covered in soil. There's about an inch on there. I'm going to give it a quick bit of water now, and then that'll be it. And that's it. Now, Ranunculus are prone to rot. So once I watered it just now, I'm not going to water them again until I'm seeing some green shoots come out the top. And that's all for today. I'm going to put them in the orangery conservatory and leave them there, which is a cool spot. I'll probably put a plastic cover on them for now to keep them not below zero, but that should do it. And then when the green shoots come through the top, we'll start watering again, and then we'll do another video later on about planting out and also about cutting some cut flowers. But for now, that's it. So pretty straightforward. That is how you sow Ranunculus corns. Again, if you have got some value, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.